Today I will show you how to block someone on Instagram, and if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch up your Instagram application. Once that's launched up, what we're going to do now is we're going to find the person that you want to block. So you can either come to the magnifying glass here and then search for the particular person that you want to block, or if the person is a follower or you're following the person, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to where you can find the person's profile. And once you click on it, you can see the three dots at the top of the far right navigation. You're going to click on those three dots. And from here, under restrict, you can see block. You're going to block this person here. And you're going to click on block. If you want to block and report, you click on block and report. But we're going to click on block. And it says blocking. So once the person is blocked, you should not be able, yeah. So you cannot see their posts. So you're going to go back and you're gonna go back to your profile. If you want to see the blocked people, the people you've blocked, you're gonna go to this hamburger right here at the top, and right under who can see your account, you can see blocked, and you can go into that and you can see the people that you've blocked. Now that's how to block someone on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.